SlowCast English, Episode 22, Asking for Directions.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Where is the train station?
It's not far from here.
Can I walk there?
Yes. About 10 minutes.
Great. Which way should I go?
Go straight and turn left at the light.
Then what?
You'll see a big building. That's the station.
Is it easy to find?
Yes. Very easy.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Introduction to this podcast. Asking for directions to the train station. Anna asks Ben for directions to the train station. Ben explains that it is a 10-minute walk, instructing her to go straight and turn left at the light. He assures Anna that the station is easy to find, marked by a big building. Anna thanks Ben for his help.